Hey, Phil Santillon here with the CoolerPak 90 from Portage North. Just wanted to give you a little heads up just in case if you're trying to figure out how to put this together. When you get the pack from Portage North, the CoolerPak, whether this is the 90 or the smaller size, you'll get it in two different parts. You'll get the shell, and then you'll get the interior liner. Now, the easiest way that I found to put this together is to actually invert the outer shell, connect it to the bottom, push it in, and then Velcro the top in. So there are two parts to this. You're going to want to invert this so that you see the bottom. You'll see the Velcro here. And on the liner, you have Velcro on both sides. So I'm just gonna take the Velcro and line it up. Okay, so once you got the liner in and it's secured all the way, then you just pull the bottom through. So once you've got the liner in, there is one final Velcro. It's in the top here. All you're gonna do is just flip that over, and then you're going to just attach it to the top of the liner. All I'm doing is just rolling this over, as you can see here. Attaching the Velcro. And that's that. We'll zip her on up. And there you go. Portage North CoolerPak 90. That's how you put it together.